Wow. Well, that is a different kind of day. We have, um, I'm hiding behind the dunes to get a little bit away from the wind. Very strong wind. But look at that, there are almost no waves left. So wind and waves has not much to do with each other. This is not what I expected. And the temperature dropped today, last night, and will drop even further. And tomorrow we'll be back again to normal temperatures. So it chased everyone away. So there we have one runner over there I've seen. Beside him, I haven't seen any other person yet on the beach. But here behind the dunes, there's no wind because the wind comes from the north, and I am actually protected here. So I think you might hear a little bit, but not much. So we have February 17th today, and was it 18th? We'll see how long I would like to stay here today.